In this video, I'll show you how to make money trading meme coins on the Sui network, and how to use the Sui Sniper Bot, step by step. Recently, meme coin trading has exploded with massive trading volumes across networks like Solana, Base, and Ethereum. But now, a significant shift is happening in the Sui network. People are making massive gains buying and selling meme coins on Sui. YouTube is flooded with videos where people show how they manage to turn $100 into tens of thousands, or even millions of dollars, doing nothing but sniping meme coins for incredible profits. Sniping a token means buying it as soon as it becomes available on the market, and selling it when it goes up and you double or triple your investment. Most meme coins take only a few minutes to reach their first top after launching, so you need to be fast and make sure you don't get dumped on by the developer. Meme coins are highly volatile, so you need to have some knowledge if you want to get in this market. There are two ways to buy meme coins. You can buy them from a decentralized exchange, or you can use a Telegram bot that does it for you. These bots place fast trades for you without having to log into your exchange. There are currently 4 main dexes where Sui tokens trade: Cetus, Turbos Finance, Blue Move and FlowX. However, it is not recommended to trade on these dexes because it's quite a hassle to find the right meme coin in the exchange, as some coins are trading on only one specific dex. That's why I love using a bot. The bot works inside the Telegram app, and supports all exchanges, so you can trade within only one interface. The Sui Sniper Bot is one of the best bots for automatically trading coins on the Sui network. It works with all decentralized exchanges and is integrated in Telegram. The Sui Sniper Bot is designed to act fast when a new coin launches. Its speed helps you beat manual traders, so you can buy low and sell high within seconds. To make trading even quicker, the bot lets you manually adjust gas fees on the Sui network. This feature is helpful when the network is busy, as it prioritizes your transactions, helping them go through before others. One thing to watch out for with meme coins is rug pulls. This is when developers suddenly take out liquidity, leaving investors with a bag of worthless tokens. Sui Sniper Bot includes a built-in rug pull detection to protect your investments. It alerts you if a trade shows signs of being risky. Another great feature is the bot's ability to quickly buy meme coins as soon as they launch. It scans for new token listings and trades at lightning speed, giving you a chance to invest before prices rise. You can even use the Sniper Bot to handle up to 40 wallets at once, and it offers features like copy trading and more. To get started, click the registration link in the description below. The link will take you right to your Telegram app, so if you don't have Telegram already, you should install it first to make it work. In Telegram, you press the Start button to begin the installation. You will be asked to follow the announcements group, so do this first and then come back. Click Menu and then click on Start to finish the setup. You will get a unique Sui wallet address with your private key and secret seed phrase. It's important to write this seed phrase on a piece of paper and save it to get access to your wallet later. If you don't have access to your seed phrase or private key, you will not be able to access your wallet again when things get messed up and you need to reinstall the bot. Now you need to deposit some Sui tokens to your Sniper Bot wallet so you can buy coins. If you already have some Sui in another Sui wallet, you can transfer it to your Sniper wallet. If you don't have any Sui already, you can buy Sui on Binance or Coinbase and then send the tokens to your Sniper Bot wallet. I've made a video tutorial on how to install a Sui wallet on your computer or mobile and how to fund the wallet with Sui. Check the video link in the description below. It should only take a few seconds for the Sui to arrive in your wallet. Transactions on Sui are incredibly cheap and fast. To find a good meme coin to trade, I use Dexscreener. If you're not familiar with Dexscreener, let me explain what this service does. The website tracks data on hundreds of dexes across more than 80 blockchain networks. You can perform in-depth analysis by monitoring charts of every token pair and explore multiple features, including trending pairs, gainers and losers, new listings, watch lists, and alerts. It's an essential crypto analysis tool for both beginners and advanced traders. And the good part is that Dexscreener is totally free and doesn't require registration to use. Okay, now let's choose the Sui category on the left side, and pick out a good meme coin to snipe. Picking a good coin is not simple, and takes some time and research. We don't want to have our token go to zero after we buy it because the developer dumped all his coins at once, leaving you behind with a worthless bag of coins. There are so many tokens on Sui network, so it's a clever idea to use the filter option. I like to use the new pairs filter so I can see all the tokens that have been created during the last 24 hours. Filters are important, as there are so many tokens that get trading volume for the first 1 or 2 hours and then just die. I also check if the coin has a decent following on social media. If there's a Twitter account, then check if there are many followers and if the account is active. If nobody is talking about the meme coin, that's a bad sign. I also want to know if there's a decent trading volume and how many holders are buying and selling. The liquidity and market cap are also good indicators to see how well the coin is doing. You need a decent volume to trade with. The more liquid a meme coin has, the healthier its market. Subsequently, there is a greater chance of making profitable trades. If you find an interesting coin with enough volume, holders and transactions, copy its contract address and paste it into the Sniper bot. Press Buy Token, select how much Sui you want to invest, and hit Confirm. The bot will instantly purchase your coins and send them to your Sniper wallet. If you want to sell the coin when your target price has been reached, click on the number of tokens that you want to sell, and the bot will also do it for you. You can rinse and repeat the process and make a lot of money with these meme coins if you manage to pick out the good ones early and sell them when they pump. Sniper bot also lets you copy trade from large whale wallets. This means you can follow their trades, and whenever they make a move, it will happen for you too. Sniper bot also has a referral system where you can earn up to 35% of the fees your referrals pay. These rewards are sent to your wallet every day, as long as you earn at least 5 Sui. A multi-level referral system increases your earnings as more people join under you. This is not financial advice, so be sure to do your research before investing in meme coins. You are responsible for your losses and always remember that with high rewards comes high risk. That's it for this video. If you like this information, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can find the link to sign up for the Sui Sniper bot in the description box below. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments section if you need more help, and have a wonderful day.